I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup here. Seems like January in Florida is a good time to do some cutbacks on some of the taller trees while they're still dormant. So we're going to do a little bit of cleanup since we got such a small yard. I can't let the trees get too big without worrying about the hurricanes. So that jackfruit there, I got to do a little bit of trimming. I don't like doing it. I'd like to let it grow as big as possible, but there's no choice with the small yard. So that's what it looks like now. It's going to look probably pretty rough when I get done, but over time it'll grow back, just not much taller. All right, you have to look back to the beginning of the video a couple times maybe to see the difference, because it's not drastic, I don't think, but we're trying to keep them around 20 feet or less in the backyard, so it looks pretty good, at least for now. I hauled some of it to the front, but the rest of it I'll slowly burn off or spread in the back. It's January 2026. It's Florida, but it still gets cold here. We had 40s a couple of times this week already. I had this one, let's see, it's a wax jumbo tree right there. That one looks kind of rough, I know. I actually cut that one a little shorter than I wanted to. Or I should say I got carried away, didn't catch myself. That's about 10 to 12 feet. I was trying to keep it around 15, but we'll see. Got some other trees in here that'll grow along with it. Oh wow, I don't know if you caught that. Hummingbird just flew by at 100 miles an hour. There's two of them here. And they'll kind of fight with each other. One of them, you'll see one on the feeder, and the other one will come and dive bomb on it to get him out of the way. We have multiple flowers here for him and a couple different feeders. Sometimes they get greedy, want to fight about it. Got to do a little more cleanup here and there on some of the shrubs. Somebody landed on the plate. Oh, one of the bunting birds. I don't know if you see it right there. That's the green one, the female. The rainbow colored ones are the males. I hear the woodpecker. Oh, he's up top. We'll go through here. It's getting a little more sun back here now that I trimmed it up. We'll see what happens. Oh, the hummingbird's right there. I heard him and seen him. You probably didn't see it in the video, but they're here. About every 10 to 15 minutes they have to eat again, so they're pretty busy. All right, I'm gonna go inside, let the birds come and hang out. I'll catch y'all later.